Hi, this is Tom Aspray with the PA Stock Alerts. I write the PA Stock Alerts with my partner John Person. John has a worldwide reputation for combining pivot point analysis and candlesticks. He was the first to combine these two techniques and has written several excellent books on the subject. Each of us has over 30 years of experience in the markets, and believe me, we have the bruises, scars, and bumps to prove it. 3 times a week, we give you an intensive video update combining our expertise and analysis of the market to tell you where the market is likely going, which sectors are likely to be the best from both a technical and a seasonal perspective, and which stocks within those sectors you should be looking at. In addition, we have interim updates when important market events occur. The worldwide response to our new service has been truly amazing, and we'd like you to join us. You can go to pastockalerts.com and sign up for a free trial, 1 month, no obligation. That'll provide you with those 3 video updates a week. And if you'd like to know what we're thinking currently, you can click the research tab and get a recent research report that was released on November 8th, telling you what we're expecting for the market throughout the end of 2010 and in 2011. No sign of email or anything else is necessary to view this report. To show you what we've been doing in the past month or so, we've combined clips of our various commentaries. We hope you enjoy it. Good evening, this is Tom Aspray, the PA Stock Alert for Tuesday, October 5th. Well, when you're a bull, as we have been since late August, things don't get much better than they were today. All the major averages closing sharply higher. S&P up 2%, Dow a little less than 2%, small caps up almost 3%, as were the transports. Stocks started off the day strong, and the bullish news continued throughout the day from both a fundamental and technical standpoint. D line continues to look strong in a very sharp uptrend. It has kept us on the long side since July, as it has been showing internal strength, very bullish action. Dow was also impressive. Looks like we'll get that close above 11,000 we've been looking for some time. Upper stark bands are 11,100, and then of course the old highs above 11,200. Monthly pivot resistance at 11,516. Nice looking chart on the NASDAQ as we broke through that 61.8% resistance on September 20th, which was a very bullish sign. Now looks like we'll head back towards the 2450 area where there's some significant chart resistance. Monthly pivot resistance here is at 2561. This is Tom Aspray with the PA Stock Report for Tuesday, October 12th. Pretty impressive action today, as early on the market looked pretty sick. S&P down about 5 points. Advanced decline numbers were about 5-1 negative, and they closed slightly positive. As you can see, the cash S&P found support in the 1155 area and closed well off the lows at 1169. There's some resistance around 1175 to 1190, and then monthly pivot resistance at 1223. Of course, there's much better support in the 1130 to 1135 area, with monthly pivot support much lower at 1116. McClellan Oscillator has been flat for the past couple of weeks. Now, some of you think this is negative because it has not been keeping pace with prices. I think it is more important the advanced decline line has been keeping up with the price action. In fact, it continues to make new highs. That's bullish, and that's one of the things we saw in late August that kept us on the right side of the market. A break back below the zero line is certainly possible. Would like to see us hold at minus 60 level, and would not want us to see us form a series of lower highs. That would be more worrisome. Similar action in the E-minis, with near-term support now at 1151 to 1145, and then much stronger in the 1127 to 1132 area. On the upside, resistance around 1200, and then monthly pivot resistance at 1219. Most of our stocks did very well today, so let's update and look at their charts and what we're advising you to do now. Remember, the position table is available on our website and is updated about the same time as the video, though today is already up, showing the closing prices for today open profits, and recommended stops. Stage Stores put in a nice close today, up 26 cents. We sold out half of this at 13.12 for about a 13% profit. We're looking for a target up here between 13.96 and 14.54, but it appears that this consolidation pattern was a triangle that's now been resolved to the upside. We do expect to see follow through here. This is definitely in a strong sector. As you can see from the daily chart, Neocrene Biosciences accelerated the upside Friday, had some follow through on Monday, though the high was 762, just below our recommended zone to take off half the position, and today we've made a high at 760. That's the reason I put out an email alert to sell half and not wait for 765. It should have been taken out at around 756 for over a 36% profit. You remember we're in this one from 555. We could see a bit more of a pullback here to the $7 area before it resumes its uptrend. We'll hang on to the other half. We raise the stop slightly to 570 here. Myriad Genetics, MYGN, was in the news early this morning as a hot stock. Well, John, I thought it was a pretty hot stock back around in here when we went long at 1616, closed today at 1866, up about over 15%. With today's action, we expect to see some follow through on the upside, though it may take off half before the end of the week. We're looking for the 1980 to 2020 level as a near-term target. If you'd like to see our specific recommendations that we have currently in place, go to the website, pastockalerts.com, and sign up for the free trial. You'll be activated within a 24-hour period. And if you'd like to read some of our thoughts, once again, the research report on the site is free. Thank you very much for joining us.